Hi everyone, I'm Claire Mock and I'm a sophomore environmental science major here at Westminster College. So this summer I did an internship on the rehabilitation of Western Pennsylvania mitigated wetlands with Dr. Robert White from California University of Pennsylvania. So the first important thing to know is, what are mitigated wetlands? The Environmental Protection Agency defines mitigating wetlands as the restoration, enhancement, or creation of wetlands to compensate for permitted wetland loss. So there were two sites that I worked on this summer: State Game Lands 302 in West Findlay, Pennsylvania, and Owl Hollow in Ligonier, Pennsylvania. Both of these sites were initially destroyed by the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation in order to create roads in the area. And so PennDOT, the Game Commission, and the Department of Environmental Protection all came together to collaborate and find somebody to restore these wetlands. So they were rebuilt, and then there's a 10-year monitoring period with an off year on the fifth year. So what do you actually do when you monitor a mitigated wetland? So we took tree survivability, soil quality data, vegetation surveys, and water quality data. So soil quality data is important to measure the pH of the soil and the organic content. So we took samples from 3 different points, and back in the lab, we measured the pH and the organic content of these soils to determine if the wetlands were functioning as they were supposed to with the soil quality, which is important for plant growth. And we also did vegetation surveys, which is the composition of woody versus herbaceous plants, and whether or not there are invasive plants present, such as Phragmites australis, which is the photo on your screen. And then we did tree survivability. So we GPS tagged all of the different planted trees in this forested wetland. So we took the canopy height, the diameter at breast height, and identified these trees and created tree maps using ArcGIS. And we took water quality data, so pH, turbidity, alkalinity, dissolved oxygen, conductivity, and total dissolved solids. The water quality is the most in-depth part, and there is some data about the water quality. I don't have enough time in this video to go into describing the actual data, so if you would like to learn more about rehabilitation of mitigated wetlands in Western Pennsylvania, please come to the Symposium Thursday, December 2nd, and see me in person. Thank you. Bye.